Sairam children, one more revision video. All of you please ready with your text notebook and pencil and eraser. Children, I hope that you watched the last video and wrote all questions and learned answers. Okay? Now let us see what all questions are there for revision video. Fill in the blanks. First one is fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The dash can change within a short time. The dash can change within a short time. Options are A. Season, B. Weather, C. Week, D. Year. What can change within a short time? Is it season? Is it weather? Is it week? Yeah, year. What is the correct answer? The weather can change within a short time. So the answer is B. Weather. Answer is B. Weather. The weather can change within a short time. Let us see the answer is correct or not. Yes, the answer is B. Weather. The weather can change within a short time. Next one. Question number 2. Days are dash during winters. Days are dash during winters. Options are A. Big, B. Tall, C. Long, D. Short. Days are big during winters, yeah, tall during winters, yeah, long during winters, or short during winters. Which is the correct answer? Yes, days are short during winters. Short during winters. Days are short during winters. Let us check the answer. Yes, it is. The answer is D. Short. Now, next one. The cold season is known as dash. The cold season is known as dash. A. Autumn, B. Monsoon, C. Summer, and D. Winter. Cold season is it autumn, yeah, monsoon, summer, yeah, winter? Which is the correct answer? Cold season is winter. Let us see. The cold season is known as winter. Cold season is known as winter. Let us see if it is correct or not. Yes, the answer D. Winter. The cold season is known as winter. Next one. Choose the right answer. Question is, which month has 28 or 29 days? Which month has 28 or 29 days? Options are A. November, B. April, C. March, D. February. Which month has 28 or 29 days? Yes, the correct answer is February. Correct answer is February. February month has 28 or 29 days. Let us see the answer. D. February. Okay. Now, question number 5. What kind of clothes do we wear in summer season? Summer season, what kind of clothes we wear? A. Woolen clothes, B. Light cotton clothes, C. Raincoat, D. Silk cloth. What kind of clothes do we wear in summer season? What is the correct option? Is it woolen clothes? Raincoat? Yes, silk cloth? No? Then, yes, the correct answer is B. Light cotton clothes. B. Light cotton clothes. We like to wear light cotton clothes in summer season. Now let us check the answer. Yes, B, light cotton clothes. Now next one. What do you carry when you go out in rainy season? What do you carry when you go out in rainy season? Options are A, sweater, B, cotton clothes, C, bag, D, umbrella. What do you carry when you go out in rainy season? You carry sweater, your cotton clothes, your bag or umbrella. So, which is the correct option here? Yes, we carry an umbrella in rainy season. During rainy season, we carry an umbrella. Okay, now see the answer D, umbrella. Okay, children. Now the next one is say true or false. Say true or false. Question is, there are 28 or 29 days in the month of March. There are 28 or 29 days in the month of March. Is it true? No. Then it is false. Why? Why it is false? Why it is false? There are 28, 29 days in the month of March. You are telling it is false. Why? Okay, there are 28 or 29 days in the month of February, not in March. So, this statement is wrong. So, it is false. B, false. Answer is B, false. Now, next one. We wear cotton clothes in winter. We wear cotton clothes in winter. Option A, true. B, false. We wear cotton clothes in winter? No. Then what? Yes, woolen clothes. So, this is false. This is false. This also false. This statement is not correct. It is false. Let us check this. B, false. Now, next one. We like to drink something hot in winter. We like to drink something hot in winter. A, true. B, false. Is this correct? We like to drink something hot in winter? Yes, we like to drink something hot in winter is true. The answer is true. Let us check this. Yes, A, true. Okay, children. Now, next one. Identify the given figure. Teacher is given with picture. It is from the textbook only. You can recognize this picture very fast. See this picture. One old man is carrying an umbrella and the children are playing in the water wearing raincoat. Okay, you can see the rain also. Now, so which is this picture? Options are A, spring, B, monsoon, C, winter, D, summer. This is which season? From the picture you can identify. Yes, this season is monsoon. This season is monsoon. Okay, let us check the answer. B, monsoon. Okay, now let us go to the next one. See this picture. All people are wearing yes, sweater, woolen clothes. They are wearing woolen clothes. So which season people like to wear woolen clothes? Yes, sweater. Yes, options are monsoon, B, summer, C, winter, D, autumn. Which one is here correct? This is also from your textbook. So, identify the picture fast, children. Yes, this is winter season. This is winter season. Okay. Answer C. Winter. Now the next one, fill in the missing letters. Teacher is given one word and their clue is there inside the bracket. Let us read that first. We eat this in the morning. We eat this in the morning. We eat this in the morning. What is that? What is that word? Yes, it is breakfast. It is breakfast. Options are R-A-F-T, R-E-F-H, R-O-F-T, R-U-F-T. So, B dash E dash K dash A-S dash. So, 4 letters are missing from this word. Let us write this word first. Breakfast. Do you know the spelling breakfast, children? You all learned this. Yes or no? Yes. Now let us write this. B R E A K F A S T. This is the spelling breakfast. Okay. And letters missing are B is there, R is missing, E is there, A is missing, K is there, F is missing, A and S both are there, but T is missing. So, what are the missing letters here? R, A, F, T. R, A, F, T. Where is R, A, F, T in this option? Yes, option A, R, A, F, T. R, A, F, T. Breakfast. All of you write and see and click the correct spelling. Okay, children? Now, let us watch if it is correct or not. Yes, R-A-F-T. R-A-F-T. Now, next one. We carry this in rainy season. We carry this in rainy season. All of you know the answer for this? Yes. What is that? Umbrella. Umbrella. So, here the spelling missings are U-M. It is given. Now, next one is dash. R dash. L dash A. So, options are B-E-L, B-A-L, B-O-L and B-U-L. So, let us see what is the spelling umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. This is umbrella spelling. So, missing letters are U and M is there. In the question, U and M is there. Then, next is missing is B. R is there. E is missing. Then, L is there. One more L is missing. So, what is the correct answer? B-E-L. B-E-L. Letters B, E and L are missing. So, we will option A, B-E-L is the correct answer. B-E-L is the correct answer. Okay, next. Let us see. Option A, B-E-L. Answer B-E-L. Next one. Find the odd one. See, 4 things are given. One is not in that group. You have to find out which one is not in that group and click that. Okay. Raincoat, umbrella, gumboot and sweater. Raincoat, umbrella, gumboot and sweater. Just see which is not in this group. Yeah, sweater. Why? Raincoat, umbrella, gumboot related to monsoon. Yeah, rainy season. Sweater is winter season. So, here odd one is sweater. Click sweater. So, the answer is, this is the odd one from this question. Sweater. Let us see that. D. Sweater. Okay, children. Next one. Winter, woolen clothes, ice cream, hot drinks. Winter, woolen clothes, ice cream, hot drinks. Which is not in this group? Winter season, we wear woolen clothes and we like to drink hot drinks. We like to drink, drink ice cream or cold drinks? No. So here the odd one is ice cream. It is ice cream. Let us see. Yes. Correct answer is C, ice cream. Okay, children. Now the next one is identify the groups in which the following belongs to. Question number 16. Identify the groups in which the following belongs to. November, December, January, February. November, December, January, February. Options are monsoon months, summer months, autumn months and winter months. Tell me children, which month, which is this? These months are winter months, yeah, monsoon months, the summer months, they are autumn months. Yes, it is winter months. Now it is going on now, the winter season. So the answer is winter months. Winter months are November, December, January and February. Now let us see the answer. Winter months. So D, winter months. Correct answer is winter months. Now next one. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. What are they? Yes. Options. I will say the options first. The first one is days of the week, months of the year, different times of the day, different seasons. Now, is this days of the week? No. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they are days of the week. Months of the year? No. January, February, March, they are months of the year. And different seasons? Winter, monsoon? No, it is also not. Then, what is the correct answer? Morning, afternoon, evening, night are different times of the day. So, correct answer is different times of the day. Different times of the day. Let us see that. Yes, see different times of the day. Okay, children. Now, let us see the next one. Answer the following. See, teacher is given one question and four options. Four answers are given. Only one is correct in this from this, and you have to find out which one is correct and click the correct one. Now let us read the question first. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter season? Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter season? Options. A. We wear woolen clothes in winter season to protect us from rain. B. We wear woolen clothes in winter season to protect us from summer. C. We wear woolen clothes in winter season to protect our body from sun. D. We wear woolen clothes in winter season to keep ourselves warm. So, let us find out the correct one. The first one, option A is correct. To protect us from rain? No. Then protect us from summer? No. Because we wear woolen clothes in winter season. So that answer is also not correct. And woolen clothes in winter season to protect our body from sun? That is also not correct. So the option D, we wear woolen clothes in winter season to keep ourselves warm. That is the correct answer. D, option D is the correct answer. Now, check this. Yes, answer D, we wear woolen clothes in winter season to keep ourselves warm. Okay, children. Now, the last question. What kind of clothes do we wear during summer? What kind of clothes do we wear during summer? Option A, we wear light cotton clothes in summer. B, we wear woolen clothes in summer. C, we wear raincoat in summer. D, we wear silk clothes in summer. What is the correct answer? Woolen clothes in summer, या raincoat in summer, या silk clothes in summer, या light cotton clothes in summer. Children, what is the answer? Yes, option A, we wear light cotton clothes in summer. Okay, children. Now let us check this answer. Answer A, we wear light cotton clothes in summer. So we have finished with our revision. So please children, write the questions and answers in your notebook and learn properly. Okay. All the best for your exam. Bye children.